How to print from Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to print from Canva. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your web browser on your device. Click search bar and type in canva.com and press enter on your keyboard. And make sure that you logged into your account. Now you simply need to choose your design which you want to print from Canva. So if this is the design and once your design is open, you might be thinking of pressing Ctrl+P or a similar shortcut would let you print directly, but that doesn't work in Canva. So to download your design as a printable file, what you need to do is click on the share button in top right corner of your screen. Now from this drop-down menu, click on download button at bottom left corner and then you simply need to choose the PDF print file type. Click on the drop-down menu and choose PDF print. Now you simply need to click on download button and wait for the file to save, and then you simply need to open your PDF file or simply Canva design. You can easily resize this on your device, and after a while, once you have located the file, you can simply click on the Ctrl+P button on your keyboard. Now you can simply choose the area that you want to print. You can even take a screenshot or let's try Ctrl+P. So now you can easily choose the destination, pages and the color. And with this, click on the print button at bottom right corner of your screen. And then you will successfully print from Canva in this way. So that's all for today. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.